tap, t, a, p, tap, a, p, map, map, k, a, can, can. Look here children, now let us learn the first sound. Okay children, what is the first sound you hear when I say the word tap? App, app. First sound em vinipistundi meeku? Listen carefully. When I say the word tap, tap అనే వర్డ్ నేను వాడినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ గా మీకు ఏం సౌండ్ వినిపిస్తుందో అది చెప్పాలి నాకు. వెరీ గుడ్. గివ్ గుడ్ క్లాప్ టు దిత్వి. దిచా ట్యాప్. ఫస్ట్ సౌండ్ ఏమొచ్చింది? ఫస్ట్ సౌండ్ ఏమొచ్చింది? So this is the first sound. Now children, when I say the word map, the first sound, what do you hear? Map. Map. What is it? Very good, Lahari Krishna. Give good clap to Lahari. Yes. First sound you hear. Okay. When I say the word when I say the word can, what is the first sound you hear? Excellent. Good job. Good job. What is the first sound of tap? What is the first sound you hear the word? Excellent. Give good clap to Lahari. Go. Thank you Lahari. Akshakam. When I say the word map, what is the first sound you hear? Excellent. Give good clap to Dash. Thank you Dash. Please go. When I say the word can, what is the first sound you hear children? Say the word. Sound. Ka. Very good. Give good clap to Ashiya children. Yes, Ashiya please go. What is this picture Divi? Alage. What is this picture? Tap. What is this? Tap. When I say the word tap, what is the first sound you hear? Tap. First sound. Very good. Very good. Give good clap to Divi. Go. When I say the word map, what is the first sound you hearing? Map. First sound ఏమొచ్చింది? Very good. Give good clap to Surya. Nice Surya. Thank you. Go sit down. Picture. What is this picture? Map. What is this picture?
Map.
Okay, fine. When I say the word map, what is the first sound you hear? Map. Pa last lo వచ్చింది. First లో ఏం సౌండ్ వచ్చింది? Map. Map. First sound ఏమొచ్చిందిరా? Very good. First sound. Okay. What is this picture? ఈ బొమ్మ ఏంటి? ఏంటి? ఈ పిక్చర్ ఏంటి? చూడు పిక్చర్ ఏంటి? What is this picture? Tap. Children, what is this picture? Tap. When I say the word tap, what is the first sound you hear children? ఏం వినిపిస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ సౌండ్? ఇలా చూడు. Tap. What is this? First sound. First sound ఏమొచ్చింది? Tap. Go. Very good. Give good clap to Lahari children. Sorry. Charani? Is the picture can. What is this picture?
Can.
Very good. When I say the word can, what is the first sound you hear children?
Can.
Very good Jessie. It is k. K. What is this? K.
Silly.
What is this picture? Map. Yes. This picture is map. Okay. When you hear the word map, what is the first sound you hear? First sound em vinipistundi map lo? Map. First sound em ochindi? Map. Ochindi. First sound em ochindi? What is this picture? Map. What? Okay. What is the first sound of map? First sound name actually map. First sound. What is the sound you hear when I say the word map? Very good. Janu. Map. First sound. Yes, go. First sound. Very good. Give good clap to Sriyansh. What is this picture? Dhruvansh, what is this picture? Tap. Very good. What is the first sound you hear? Excellent. Give good clap to Dhruvansh children. Nice. Please go.